Okay, anyways, here's my TOS FM20 again, and I've changed the spindle, and part of it is with the IMO Jaguar Cub VFD. This is how I've changed the station. The start, the stop is still the same, but I can now jog it. In jog, it's also in auto, and of course I can reverse the drive direction. And nice up here on the hand control, I can also change the speed. If I want to run the mill in manual, then I change this selector switch over here to manual. All the e-stops are still incorporated the same way. They're all push to turn. You have to reset them. My power supply right there for 120 volts. Variable frequency drive is on the one side, and then the power supply and control voltage. And there's Mach 3 up and running. So what I'm going to do first is I'll just show you the inside of the cabinet here. I'll open this up, and this is the Jaguar Cub VFD. Now, if you look up on the top here, I've got two relays, two contactors. The one to the left is for the variable frequency drive. The one to the right is for the power supply. And both of those are interconnected in with the emergency stop line. Okay, I'm just gonna... Okay, so continuing on here, this is the drive. I'm gonna change the control over here to manual. Right now it's in the auto position. I'll just do that. And what you're seeing manual is it's gonna pick up the contactor for the variable frequency drive. And that's showing the last position that the drive was at. It was running at 60 Hertz on the potentiometer. Alright, so pretty simple. We just hit the button. Well, sounded simple. There we go. Oops, pardon me, I'm in jog. So if I'm going to run the mill manually, and that's on 800 RPM on the gear head, and I can take that now and dial that down. And if we go over now to the frequency drive, it'll show the speed right here. We're about almost 12 Hertz. So very nice. Stop button, drops out the contactor, resets it, locks that out so we don't have an inadvertent stop. Perfect. We'll bring that back up to speed, back up to 60 Hertz. We can give it a test. What did I do? That's there. Well, hang on here. Always something. No, saying we had a low voltage dropout. So, okay. There, just reset that, and away we go. Six seconds to wind up, 6 seconds to spool back down. Okay, so now if I go and put this now in auto, what's going to happen is that contactor up at the top is going to drop out. Okay, very good. And now to get that pick up in auto mode, I have to pick up the Mach 3 on the reset. When I do that, now we're going to enable both the power supplies and the drive. And here we go. I'll go over to the diagnostics. I'll just close this cabinet here for a moment, part way. We'll go over to the diagnostics section here, and the only thing is when I'm working in auto, I have to take the run to jog, and the Mach contact, when it closes, it's going to run the spindle on and off. So now if I just go over to spindle over here and toggle it, and there we go. Shut it back off, and it spools down. So all the changes I've made seem to work quite well. The variable frequency drive seems very smooth, and we'll see what happens when I end up having to machine something. Thanks for watching.